is up, you guys? It's Kristen Hancher back at it again with
the Cringe Fan.
The Cringe Fan. We're gonna be doing couples versus couples handcuff challenge. Are you guys ready?
Wait, hand what?
Handcuff. Oh.
Like when you get arrested, handcuffs?
Yeah, we're gonna get a little kinky up here. No kidding. But we're gonna do challenges and see who can do them faster, or at least do them in general.
Or better.
Or better.
More smooth.
Did he say they're better or what?
I think you guys haven't met the Cringe Fan.
We're about to bring the cringe.
Alright guys, let's get started.
Alright, so Kristen doesn't think we can climb up this rope.
I don't think we can climb up this rope, Jack.
I don't think you can climb up this rope, but you can maybe stand beside me climbing up that handcuff.
Rude.
It's only so high you guys
Wait,
can get.
We're just being realistic, alright? What's good?
Guys, I'm with Hulk. I'm scared.
Hey.
Guys!
Wait, how does this even work?
I don't know.
Wait,
Hold
why
on.
are we the guinea pig? Oh my goodness, your wrist is fat.
Alright, I'm gonna climb and you're gonna help me climb, but you just stand there. So put your hand on.
Yes.
This hand. Lower. Alright, ready? I'm gonna climb.
Wait, okay, go.
So look, when I say left hand, you lift up with your left hand. Alright? So if you don't, I'm gonna rip my wrist. I honestly don't think she's paying attention right now. I don't want to rip my wrist open. And lift your left hand. Alright.
Guys.
Now lift again. Go again. Go, go, go. Keep going. It broke. It broke off. It broke.
Alright, so you guys got up to halfway even though you got on the floor.
Wait, was that halfway?
Your hand was up to halfway.
Both of us have to go up.
I guess so.
Well, okay, well, it's whoever wins this challenge is obviously whoever goes higher. So
You guys can decide.
so all you have to do is get on the rope and we win.
I can do that.
Wait, no, you have to get on the rope and then you have to at least get like 2 climbs.
Yeah.
I got this.
Yeah.
0 climb.
Guys, comment down below who you think's gonna get higher on this.
All right, so we're gonna learn from their mistakes, obviously.
Yeah, okay.
I think you're better, but trust me.
We got a little audience watching.
I know.
You do.
Do you think they're gonna make it higher than us?
All right. All you have to do is get on the rope.
Okay.
All right, so
Wait,
I'll go
no,
up
you
first.
gotta climb too.
Let's both
Well,
jump on
yeah.
the rope. Let's both jump on the rope. High hand.
All right, so we're gonna go. Boom.
1, 2, 3.
Oh,
Jump.
God.
Okay. And then
Jump. Hurry up. Okay. Go climb.
Wait,
The handcuff came off!
Who said we get 2 tries?
Oh, Mark handcuff came off.
Wait, ours came off too though.
Okay. Y'all can try it again. Whatever.
You hear that sound? That's a clicking sound. I like that. All right, so look, it's gonna go 1, your hand here, and then your legs, and then my legs above. My legs are gonna go above yours.
Okay.
Okay?
It's on the. I'm so
What's going on?
I'm so scared.
All right, we need a countdown. Ready?
Ready?
2.
Are you gonna jump first?
1. Go.
Okay, wait.
Wait. Today, Satan.
Yes. Ow, my wrist.
Okay, go. I don't think. Just keep climbing. Just keep
I
climbing.
can't. You're on the
I'll
ground.
climb.
Oh
God.
What the fuck? Ow. Okay. Oh, shit.
Well, this is not working.
This is actually
give
so
up.
hard to
Look at
do.
my
Wait, is it broken?
Oh my God. Okay.
This is actually really hard. I thought it was gonna be easy.
Wait, so who won?
I don't think anyone. You guys didn't even leave the ground.
I think us. You didn't leave the ground.
Comment down below who you think won.
Yeah, I vote none of us. Okay guys, so next handcuff challenge, we are gonna try and do pull-ups, handcuffed together consecutively. So you can't touch the floor. All right, you both have to do the pull-up.
Floor is lava.
Yes,
Floor is lava challenge.
lava. And whoever can do the most pull-ups together.
Wait, he's already
wins the
tall enough
challenge.
to be at a pull-up position.
You have to.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, you have to.
Oh,
That
God.
doesn't count. This is gonna be easy. What?
All right, are you guys ready?
We are breadwinners, and we have a technique to take them out cold. Canada and
Well, you're
Ohio
right
is
first,
going
so
down.
we'll just steal the technique.
You could try to replicate it. You can't copy it.
you
All right, here we go.
That would actually be funny.
good, yeah.
It'll be
And
like a
put
couples slumber party, and we wear like onesies, matching onesies.
Wait.
24-hour in a room.
All right, I'm gonna have to go straight shark mode on them, and I'm gonna remove these. Anyone wanna? Oh no! And go. 3, 2, 1. Pull. 1. Go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7. Wait, what?
Oh, yeah, 7.
We can do it, man.
You made that beatable.
My hands were hurting.
He only went up to his nose. challenge for the chin-ups,
Oh.
so there weren't really chin-ups, so we can do that too.
All right, got my hater blockers on. I'm not gonna watch them because they're haters.
Guys, they don't got this.
So far, I think it's like 1-0.
1-0.
I saw the comments below. They saying that we won.
Wait, no, guys, comment down below who's winning right now. I definitely beat. Wait. No, I don't know about the rope one.
Yeah, tied for nothing.
All right, wait,
Should
go
we-
down first. Go down first.
Should we do it like this? I think these are easier.
That's crunches.
That's a chin up. This is a pull up.
Yeah.
You did say chin up, but we should do pull ups, so we did pull ups.
You did these?
No, we did pull ups.
Fuck.
Yeah.
All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 1,
Oh.
2, 3,
Wait, they have to do the same amount. Like if he does
4.
30, that doesn't count.
5,
Does it?
6,
All right, that's 7.
7.
No,
Do
wait,
it.
no. Put on the
Good job.
side. Wait.
Yes.
If putting your foot on the side of the pole counts, they won. They won.
No, I didn't do that.
You won't
Replay
rewind.
the
You
clip.
won't rewind this video.
I will. Replay the
Keep
clip.
perfect. Foot that took some.
Swear on my life, I didn't do
You
that.
know this pole.
I play fair.
This pole's your best
play
friend
fair.
because you use them to get up in your pull up.
Nuh-uh. Replay that clip. I'll zoom that shit in. Did not happen.
I can't wait for it to actually be here touching the pool.
Oh,
I swear.
she actually touched the pole.
Boyfriend thinks
No,
you did
I don't
it.
know, but I'm just saying.
He's
I'm just
secretly
saying.
on cringe
Wow,
I'm just saying.
babe.
I think the way that you should
Whose
make
team are you really on?
just saying.
Okay, guys, for the last challenge of this video, we have a little obstacle course. Everyone scooch.
That's not
So,
little.
we have 2 bars. There's a high bar and a low bar. And it's gonna be a race to the finish. Whoever can touch here first. There's like this little thing. You guys can't see it, just take my word for it. But we're gonna go over the high bar, under the low bar. The first to touch this gets the point.
Okay.
All right.
Wait, how many points are we going to? 1. 1. All right. I thought
It's
I
just
ain't
like the
doing
first
this
to
8
finish.
times.
It's the first to finish.
I just wanted to make sure we were on the same page
We are,
before we
yes.
set this long venture.
Yes.
Cringe fan for the win.
Yeah, you already know.
We don't have a cool name. What?
Comment down below their new ship name.
Costin.
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 No, wait.
All right, we're gonna go in the back now.
Let's go this way.
On your mark. Get set. Go.
Head down.
Slide.
Oh, I got sand in my shoe. Boom! Told you. Oh, wait. Wait, oh. Oh my gosh. I'm almost bleeding. How does y'all's hands look?
Not good one bit.
I didn't like that at all.
Oh, my skin, there's a big gash, look.
Bleeding.
We risked it for the
Take these
biscuit.
stupid things off.
Yeah, take us off.
All right, we'll take it
Babe,
Oh, I lost the key.
Ow.
off. Wait, y'all lost the key?
Yeah.
we fucked up, babe. We fucked up.
Guys, I told you the cringe fan.
Okay, guys.
So they won the rope one, apparently they won the rope one.
Well, we got off the ground.
Then what was our second
No,
one we
the
did?
pull-ups, we won those.
The pull-ups, oh yeah, they won, so 2
Well,
points for them.
if she didn't touch the sidebar.
Oh.
Remember?
Oh,
So
replay.
right now we're tied. We have to replay the clip to see if I cheated or not, which I didn't.
Assuming y'all won, we just won that, so it's 2-1. So I guess we might have to make another video of another challenge for part 2.
That would be fun. If you guys want to see another collab, let us know and we'll do it. They're daily uploaders as well, so
Every
Daily?
day.
every day.
Every day.
Every day.
Oh,
So
wow.
yeah, if you guys want to see more of us together, let me know.
Swipe up.
Swipe down. And then up.
All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. We also made videos on Austin's channel and the Cringe Fans channel. Both are separate channels, right?
Yes,
Yep.
ma'am.
Yeah,
You
so
already
I'm
know.
gonna leave all their links to their channels below and all their videos, so make sure to check it out and leave a like on their channel as well. Don't forget about my video though. Don't forget
Should they
about
comment below who
Yes.
they think won?
Yes,
We
comment-
won.
Wait,
We
wait.
Well, that's why
We
they're commenting
won.
below.
Give it a thumbs up if you think we all won.
Yeah. I will see you guys tomorrow, and yeah, love you.